Well, I got a package today. Let's open it and see what we got. Okay, that's empty. What is this? Photo snow? I don't know. Let's open it and see. Well, what are they? Ain't that little cute thing? Love it. Here's one. Oh, a bracelet. Car window bracelet. That's awesome. Love it. Oh my goodness. What is it? The Snoop Christmas, I'm thinking is what it is. The new elf on the shelf. Oh. What do we got here? Oh, sweet. A bottle opener, can opener, a little ruler. It looks like open packages maybe. Titan eyeglasses. Screwdriver. Huh. This is pretty cool. Never seen one of those before. That's cool. A sleep mask. Whoa ho ho. Exactly what I need. A sleep mask. And earplugs. Exactly what I need so I don't have to listen to my husband snore. And when he turns on the light, when he gets up early, I can have this on. That is awesome. What do we got here? Foam bath something. Maybe a bath mat? Let's look. Check it out. I needed a new one of those. Thank you, Rabbit. You are the bomb. Thanks for the shit bucket to myself. Yeah. Thanks, Rabbit.